Understanding Roof Renovation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrases roof and renovation. Understanding these terms is crucial, especially if you're interested in home maintenance or construction-related topics in English. Let's dive in. A roof is the top covering of a building. It's designed to protect against rain, snow, sunlight, wind, and extreme temperatures. Roofs come in various shapes and materials, such as flat, pitched, shingled, or tiled. They are an essential part of any building, providing safety and comfort to those inside. Renovation refers to the process of repairing, restoring, or improving something, especially buildings. It's about updating or modifying to make something look new or better. Renovation can range from small repairs to complete overhauls. It's often done to increase the value or functionality of a property. Roof renovation is the process of updating or repairing a roof. It can involve various activities, such as replacing old or damaged shingles, fixing leaks, repainting, or even changing the roof's structure. Roof renovation is crucial for maintaining the integrity of a building and ensuring the safety of its occupants. Roof renovation is vital for several reasons. Prevents damage. Regular maintenance can prevent severe issues like water damage. Enhances appearance. A well-maintained roof can significantly improve a building's look. Increases property value. A good roof is a significant factor in the property's market value. Ensures safety. It keeps the building safe from weather-related damages. I hope this video has helped clarify what roof renovation involves and why it's important. Remember, a sturdy and well-maintained roof is crucial for the safety and aesthetics of any building. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning content.